Hello educators, welcome. My name is Aida Thornton. I am a literacy education specialist, science of reading educator, and creator of the mouth picture method. I would like to welcome you to wave one of a mouth picture minute. Before I begin, I want to say something completely honest and what this means to me. I want to thank you for your time. Okay, I know we are all busy educators and I really do value your time. I want to tell you a little bit about this work. I want you to keep in mind that your students, every single one of them, they are the ocean. Vast, powerful, and full of possibility. They feel differently, they learn differently. No two waves are the same. And you are the navigator. Your job is not to control the water, it is to learn to move with it, to read the currents, to adjust, to find the path through sound by sound, student by student. That is what this series gives you, a compass for the journey. Wave one is called a quiet pop of air. Over the next 9 short videos, each about 1 minute long, you are going to learn the precise articulatory scripts for 6 consonant stops and 3 foundational vowels. These are going to be your building blocks. Each video gives you 1 sound, 1 mouth picture, and 1 script. You can watch one during your prep period, before a lesson, on your lunch break, or honestly in your car. This space is safe. There are no wrong questions here. You are not behind. Almost no one has been taught this. That is exactly the gap that my series closes. So here's what I want you to do. Watch each video. Try the script with your students, even once. Watch what happens when you give them the language. Watch their mouths move. Watch the sound become visible. And when you finish wave one, you will have earned something real, not just a badge, though you will earn that too. You will have given your sound wall a voice. Let's begin. Wave one starts now.